In this video, we're going to take a look at my Lion listings review. So let's get into it right after this. Hey and welcome to my Lion listings review. I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith with USA Digi, and if you're into learning about new marketing products and how to make money online and all that cool stuff, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss a thing. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to be revealing my exclusive bonuses for this particular offer. Okay, so the first thing I need you to do is to look in the video description of this video and find my link. That's going to take you to the bonus page here. So I need you to scroll down till you see the timer here and you'll see one of the buttons. Click the button that says Get Lion Listings Now. That's going to lock you in to get my exclusive bonuses for this particular product when you use my link. Okay, so while we're here right quick, let me just show you that this product is launching Tuesday, August 11th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then it's going to end Saturday, August 15th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So it's a 5-day launch. Okay, so what is this product Lion Listings all about? So basically, you're going to get some insider secrets to 10 sites that you can advertise for free. So let's jump into the sales page and learn more about it. Okay, so the sales page reads, want to know about the secret sites where you can advertise for free? So go ahead and watch this video. It's going to tell you all about it, guys. It's going to tell you about what's in the members area and all that and what the product's all about. So let's go ahead and read this here since this is a very short sales page. Are you ready to finally get real results? We all know that the secrets of success in affiliate marketing lies with traffic. So if you don't have a list and nobody is viewing your offers, then you are not going to make any sales. It's pretty simple, right? Okay, so you're going to be able to unlock a way to get traffic to your offers without paying for expensive solo ads or without having an email list. And everyone knows that when you're just getting started, it's a little bit difficult when you don't have an email list to market to, right? So this is where this problem is going to come to an end with Lion Listings. So you won't find any hype here, no promises of instant results, just a great over-the-shoulder training showing you what actually works. Okay, so you can read this information here about Dodd, the creator of this product, Lion Listings here. So in this video, it's going to show you a sneak peek inside of the members area, which we're about to go into in a moment here. Some of his screen earnings again. Okay, and this is pretty much what's inside Lion Listings here. So you're going to discover the 10 secret sites to advertise for free. You're going to get step-by-step easy to follow videos. You're going to learn how to choose the right offers to promote, and you're going to get some advanced techniques to scale up your results. All of the resources you need are included for free, and you're going to learn how to drive traffic to your offers using entirely free methods. So here are the fast action bonuses. These are going to be in the members area. I'm going to show you these in a moment once we get in there. So you get bonus number 1, equal emails. You're going to learn how to do email marketing the right way. Bonus number 2, 6 ways to make money on TikTok. So discover the secrets of the platform everyone, even the president, is talking about. Yeah, the president's talking about he's fixing to ban this, so this might not be a good thing to start using if it's going to be banned from the USA, but it is a bonus there. I guess you can use it while you still can if you want to. Bonus number 3, 8 top high ticket programs. Time to start promoting a low ticket. So bonus number 4 is Internet Marketing Alphabet. This is another one of his courses, so it's a complete A through Z of internet marketing. Bonus number 5 is Lazy Profit Explosion. So explode your profits with this simple method. Okay, so right here, you're going to get a 30-day money-back guarantee, and that's pretty much it. So at the time of making this video, it's 12 hours left and 18 minutes before it actually goes live. Okay, so as you can see, it's a basic, simple sales page, right? Didn't take that long. So let's go ahead now and head to the members area. Inside the members area for Lion Listings here, you got dashboard support and log out. At the top up here, you have a welcome video, which is right here. And you can also join his Tigers group on YouTube here by clicking on this button. Okay, so you have an overview video in here, overview of the Lion Listings course itself. You have the main training section right here, introduction to the training. Okay, in this module, you have the top 10 sites right here. Then you have a resources, free squeeze pages, and you have conclusion video in this module. You have the bonuses right here that are listed on the sales page, as I just mentioned, and you have the upgrades in here if you want to get to those in case you went through the checkout process and you checked out the upgrades but you wasn't interested at the time, or maybe you didn't have the funds so you wanted to come back later on. You can get those inside this module here, and they may have some unadvertised bonuses in this module. Okay, pretty simple membership area, right? So now let's go ahead and take a closer look at the upsells. Okay, so for the front end, you got lion listings. It's at $9.95. So you're going to, again, learn the 10x secret sites where you can advertise for free. All right, so upsell number 1 is Lion Listings Pro version. This is for $37 with a $17 down sale. And with the Pro version, you're going to discover a further 50 sites where you can advertise for free, as well as getting access to some advanced training in there and some resources. All right, so upsell number 2 is Mega Traffic Package. So this is $197 with a $97 down sale. So in here, you're going to get 10 solo ads to his entire network of 25 sites in the Make Money Online niche. Plus, you get to plug in any URL of your choice into the ad rotators at all 25 sites. So upsell number 3 is Reseller Rights times 5. So this is for $37 with a $17 down sale. So in here, you're going to get a great set of reseller rights by picking up 100% reseller rights to Lion Listings, plus 4 more of his best-selling products. So you're going to be able to sell these and keep 100% across the entire funnel. And it comes with guaranteed approval to promote, ideal for newbies. Okay, so upsell number 4 is Done For You campaigns. This is $197 with a $97 down sale. So you're going to get 3 Done For You campaigns each and every week. And this includes Done For You bonus pages with review video, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered for you. This requires for you to have Commission Gorilla. And upsell number 5 is Launch a Product with Dodd. So this is limited to 5 people only. It's at $997 and there's no down sale on this one, guys. So this is an exclusive opportunity to launch a product with Dodd. Either choose your own product idea or have him create one with you. All of the recent launches have received over 300 sales, with some passing 500 sales and winning deal of the day. So you're going to pretty much guarantee yourself success and a buyer's list that will earn you money for years to come by taking advantage of this unique opportunity, strictly limited to 5 people. Okay, so that's it for the upsells. Let's head down to my bonus page now. Okay, so make sure you hurry, guys. The discount price is only good during the launch process, which is the 5-day launch here. And make sure there's some time left on the timer to lock in your bonuses by clicking any one of these orange buttons that say Get Lion Listings Now throughout this page. Okay, so before I go over the bonuses here, they're pretty much all complimentary to this product. And I wanted to make sure that they were all related in the form of writing copy or creating ads or something like that, so that you can get the best results when you're going to be placing your ads on these different pages that you're going to be using, okay? So bonus number 1 is 10 ways to write killer ads. So selling is accomplished with the written word by using persuasion effectively. So you're going to find out this one tweak you should do to increase response rates dramatically in your ads. You're going to discover the perception of believability and the USP, which is the most often misunderstood element. You're going to learn how the right conception can lead to more success in ads and make you more sales. And you're going to discover this trick on how to push their emotional hot buttons to start getting more sales. Bonus number 2 is the copywriting sequence. So you're going to learn the right order you should write copy and how it can help you make more sales. So I just finished a certification with Digital Marketer, and I got certified for copywriting. So this is some of the stuff that I learned from there. So this is going to help you out as well. So you're going to discover this one trick to generate persuasion, informative, and entertaining copy to connect better with your audience. You're going to discover how you can boost sales by sending your prospect through the right copy sequence at the right times. So you're going to find out the number 1 reason why you are losing prospects and how you can fix it by using the right click copy. So you're going to learn how to use copy the right way to gain more subs by simply doing this one thing in this order. Bonus number 3 is $1 Million Copywriting Secrets, a concise yet comprehensive guide that reveals how anyone can create kick-ass sales copy. You're going to discover how to craft killer sales copy that will have them begging you to sell them your product or service. You're going to learn the secret magic words to use in your headlines to send readers' curiosity soaring through the roof. You're going to discover a powerful persuasion technique you can use to dramatically increase the effectiveness of your copy. And you're going to find out the one thing you should never do in sales copy. You do this and you are doomed to fail. So don't do that. Bonus number 4 is secret hacks. It's video training on some awesome hacks to increase your online commissions. Now, this one's a little bit less useful compared to the others as far as advertising goes, but it's some really cool stuff in here and I wanted you to have it. So you're going to discover secret YouTube code that hardly no one knows about that stops related videos from showing. You're going to learn this one hack that instantly builds you a buyer's email list even if you just do affiliate marketing. You're going to discover this one tool that can instantly boost your conversions through the roof. And you're going to use this one thing to double your online earnings by knowing exactly what is converting and what is not. And of course, bonus number 5 is the 5 vendor bonuses. So act now and you'll be guaranteed these extra bonuses, guys, worth $375. So bonus 1 through 5 here, everything's recapped for you to go through. Okay, so again, make sure there's some time left on this timer to get my bonuses locked in by using these buttons anywhere on the page. Get line listings now. Okay, so you must be wondering, how do you receive the bonuses? So if you scroll down a little bit further on the bonus page here, it says how to find your bonuses. So these are instant delivered, guys, automatically on the back end in Warrior Plus. So if you don't have a Warrior Plus account, just go to warriorplus.com, create you an account so that you'll have these in your back end. Once you do that, and then you come back here and go ahead and check out through the process, then your product's going to be in the back end in Warrior Plus. Now to get to the bonuses, you log into your Warrior Plus account, find your little name in the right hand top corner, click on the little drop down arrow, then you'll go to purchase history. That'll take you to step 2. In step 2, you want to look for the product that you just purchased. If this is your first purchase, you only see one product in the list. If you purchased many things, well, there'll be a bunch of things, but the latest product that you purchased should be the top one, which should be Lion Listings. Okay, so you click that link, it's going to take you to step 3. Then that's where you get to access the product itself by clicking on the green button, and then you can access my bonuses by clicking on the blue button. And that's how you find my bonuses in the back end in the Warrior Plus platform. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me some comments on what you thought about it. And go ahead and check out the free training and video description as well. And there's also some advanced training and a webinar, so be sure to check that out. So that's going to wrap up my Lion Listings review. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that this helps you make an educated decision on whether you think that Lion Listings is a good fit for your business. I'm Ronnie Rokk Smith with USA Digi, and guys, happy marketing.